In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card on eBay. Whether you're planning to make purchases or need to set up a payment method for your seller fees, linking a credit card is a straightforward process. Let's get started and make this as simple as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to your payment settings. To do this, log into your eBay account using your preferred browser or the eBay mobile app. Once you're logged in, head over to the menu or settings section. If you're using a desktop, you'll typically find this under the My eBay section. On the mobile app, look for the menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines, and tap on it. From here, search for Payments or Account Settings. This is your main hub for managing everything related to transactions, billing, and payment methods on eBay. Now that you're in the payment settings, look for the option that says Add Credit or Debit Card. This is usually prominently displayed in the options list because eBay wants to make it easy for users to manage their payment methods. Click on this option to begin adding your card. It's essential to note that eBay accepts most major credit cards, so you should have no trouble linking whichever card you intend to use, whether it's a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or another widely accepted card. Once you've clicked on Add Credit or Debit Card, you will be prompted to enter your card details. You'll need to fill in the card number, which is the long set of digits on the front of your card, the expiration date, and the CVV number. The CVV is an extra security feature and is usually found on the back of your card. It's typically 3 digits, or 4 if you're using American Express. Enter these details carefully to avoid any errors. Double-check everything before proceeding to the next step, as ensuring accuracy is vital for successful transactions and security purposes. The final step is to save your card. After entering all the required information, look for a Save or Save Card button. By selecting this option, you're allowing eBay to charge this card for future purchases and fees automatically. This means you won't have to repeatedly enter your card information for each transaction, making your buying and selling experience more seamless. If you have any concerns about privacy or security, rest assured that eBay utilizes encryption and secure methods to keep your financial details safe. And there you have it. You've successfully added a credit card to your eBay account. This will make any future transactions quicker and easier, providing you with a more convenient online shopping and selling experience. If you ever need to update your payment information or add another card, you can always return to the payment settings and repeat the process. Thank you for joining me today, and happy eBay